So thanks for watching weatherweb.net again. I'm still down here at TV Centre in London training the new weather recruits, but just wanted to bring you an update on how conditions look over the coming days. Well, first up, we've got a look at a band of possibly some snow coming south during the course of tonight through northern England, reaching the Midlands and Wales by the time we get into the early hours of the morning. Now, I don't think there's going to be much on it at low levels. We're probably looking only just as a very slight covering in some places. Could be up to 5 centimetres over the hills as it comes down through northern England into the Midlands and parts of northern Wales. And also East Anglia could see some snow as well. However, the main feature I think that we've got to watch out for is ice in the morning as the skies clear behind it across North Wales, across northwest of England, across the Midlands, East Anglia, going through Scotland, Northern Ireland as well. Some widespread ice problems. And we could find as well wintry showers affecting the eastern coast of England throughout the course of tonight. Now, the other thing that we need to just be aware of as well is that tomorrow's going to be a cold day. Some of that ice may not clear some sheltered parts, particularly through parts of central Wales, parts of central parts of England as well. Particularly if you get a shaded area on the roads, you might find that it stays quite slippery through the day, but overall the day looks okay. Now, the next area of weather that we've got to watch out for then comes through during the course, and I've just got to check my charts here, during the course of Thursday, an area of low pressure that comes into the west of Scotland, which might have some snow on its leading edge, but as it passes south and eastwards through the country, it may turn increasingly to snow on the back edge of it across Scotland and Northern Ireland too. And then the low clears away into the North Sea, bringing this north and northeasterly flow. And that really takes me into the more of the medium term period, because this is where now we get some question marks building, because we get another low that comes through, goes into the North Sea, brings in more of a northeasterly flow next week. And the big question for next week is, will high pressure build towards the north of the country? If that happens, we're going to find a northeasterly flow developing during the middle to the back end of next week, which takes us up to when sort of the 11th, 12th period. That potentially has the signals of some very cold winter weather coming in during that period from about the 12th or 13th of December. Now, it's something we've got to watch very carefully, because if it does get in, it may take a time to clear away. My money still rides on the idea of it being milder through that middle part of December and the cold stuff coming in around the 16th or 17th, but I could be several days out here. It could be that that milder stuff does arrive during that period around about the 12th of December. So we need to watch. There is potential here for quite a few wintry snaps of weather. Nothing serious at first, but it could be that things take a whole more serious turn towards the end of next week with that northeasterly flow developing. Of course, I'll keep my eye on it for you. Back in the usual office tomorrow, but once again, thank you for watching weatherweb.net. Remember, we're kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen, by you coming back, using the site regularly, using the adverts, etc., and using the charts. That's what keeps it free of charge. So thanks again for doing that. Keep the sun shining, and bye for now.